Synthesia AI Tool Review Usage Experience. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Synthesia AI tool, a powerful platform for creating high-quality AI-generated videos. If you're interested, links to the product are in the description below. Now, let's dive straight into what Synthesia has to offer and how it performs in real-world usage. Synthesia is an AI-driven video creation tool designed primarily for businesses, content creators, and marketing professionals who need to produce engaging videos quickly and efficiently. It allows you to create videos from text in just minutes, eliminating the need for expensive equipment, studio time, or complex video editing. One of the standout features is its use of AI avatars, which can speak any text you input in multiple languages, making it ideal for global outreach. You can choose from a wide variety of avatars, or even upload your own custom avatar if you have a specific brand or personality in mind. The tool is incredibly user-friendly, with a simple interface that allows you to add background music, custom images, and even interactive elements without requiring any technical skills. Another impressive feature is the ease of script integration. You simply type out your script, choose your avatar, and the AI handles the rest. The video quality is sharp, and the avatar's speech is surprisingly natural, with excellent lip sync and a wide range of emotions to match the tone of the content. This makes it perfect for e-learning, corporate training, product demos, and marketing campaigns. However, no tool is perfect. While the avatars are highly realistic, the customization options for certain elements like facial expressions and gestures could still be improved. That said, Synthesia excels at delivering high-quality videos with minimal effort. In conclusion, Synthesia is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create professional videos without breaking the bank or needing a film crew. Its versatility, ease of use, and the quality of the AI avatars make it a top contender in the AI video creation space. I highly recommend giving it a try if you want to streamline your video production process.